Who are you to judge another's servant? To his own master he stands or falls. Indeed, he will be made to stand, for God is able to make him stand. Behold, God is my helper, the Lord is with those who uphold my life. On the last day, that great day of the feast, Jesus stood and cried out, saying, "If anyone thirsts, let him come to me and drink. Therefore comfort each other and edify one another, just as you also are doing." But those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength, they shall mount up with wings. Like eagles, they shall run and not be weary, they shall walk and not faint. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and through the rivers, they shall not overflow you. When you walk through the fire, you shall not be burned, nor shall the flame scorch you. And the Lord, He is the one who goes before you. He will be with you, He will not leave you nor forsake you. Do not fear nor be dismayed.